Welcome to Mind Control Q&A, a series of short videos where I'll answer questions from my subscribers. To get a question answered, simply post your question in the comments section below. You can also submit a question at my site, fredohill.com. Ready? Great. So let's go. Today's question is from our subscriber, which goes by the handle Dark Triad Truth, and it goes like this. I think the girl I am with is a psychological manipulator, but I can't tell for sure. Can you help? Okay, so we want to know about the signs of a psychological manipulator in a relationship. The first thing that you must understand is this. Everyone's a manipulator. Men, women, children, your neighbor, your favorite bartender, they are all hardwired to manipulate other people to get what they want. Even you yourself is a manipulator, and if you're already a Shogun Method follower, then you should already know this. Now with that out of the way, what are the signs of a psychological manipulator? Well, this is how you know if you are dating someone who is a chronic psychological manipulator. The worst psychological manipulators all show 3 telltale signs, and it's important to know what they are. The first sign is that they make you feel guilty. Either they play the victim all the time, or they offer to do you a favor and then later tell you, you owe me. This is a classic manipulation technique. Be sure to keep an eye out for this. The second sign is that they're hypocritical. They claim they believe certain things, and yet their actions tell a completely different story. At best, they may just be weak-willed, but at worst, it's another classic manipulator sign. The third sign is that they're only there when you pose some sort of value to them. Once they get what they want from you, they disappear, and they never return the favor without making you feel like dirt. If the woman you're dating is showing even just one of these signs, be careful. Either be ready to end the relationship to find a more level-headed woman, or you should be strategic, like using Shogun Method on her. What do you think of this answer? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Remember to click like below and subscribe to my channel. For a free masterclass on how to use mind control techniques to gain tremendous power in your relationships, go to fractionationhypnosis.com. You can also click on the description below. Go sign up right now for the masterclass. Trust me, you'll love it. Sign up now.